memang membimbangkan.
Ini soal nyawa.
Yang paling penting adalah pembersihan sungai.
Tunggu air kering yang tengok dia beritahu keluar.
Yes, I smell, bad smell, yes.
Solid waste refers to the range of garbage materials arising from animal and human activities that are discarded as unwanted and useless. The first common problem of solid waste pollution is landfill pollution. There is a lack of proper on-site waste management in most landfill. This issue can increase leakage, which in the liquid form when waste break down in the landfill. The next issue of the solid waste pollution is improper recycling. The problem is when people mix up the trash, it is very hard to separate it in the recycling facility. Plus, mixing trash together can contaminate the whole batch and can make the recycling process difficult and unsuccessful. Let's see what is the solution of this problem of waste disposal. The first one is avoiding toxic waste. Please avoid throwing bleach, furniture, copper and oven cleaner to the drain. The solution here to ditch all the toxic chemicals that have been used and find environmentally friendly alternative. The second one is recycle correctly. Make sure to separate the trash correctly. If mix up the waste, it will contaminate the whole recycling batch. If have household hazardous waste and how to dispose it properly, please always check the laws and rules of local municipality and look for location where we can drop off any household hazardous waste. As a conclusion, we have to do those solution properly to make sure that there is no more problem of the waste disposal in the future.
Water pollution is where the release of substance into lakes, streams, rivers, and oceans to the point where the substance interfere with beneficial use of the water or with the natural functionings of ecosystems. From article shown, Tioman, Malaysia readers, every weekend a team of volunteers comb the coastline of the Malaysia resort of Tioman to collect plastic trash that wash up on the white sand beach of the island left by the South China Sea. Lake pollution occurred in Taman Cempaka Bangir caused by factories, restaurants where there is oil dumping, plastic waste disposal from residential areas, public awareness and no action taken by the authorities. The awareness river pollution in Malaysia is likely caused by rapid development and lack of awareness on environment conservation. Reports show that pollution increased and this has to do with the effects of deforestation and the opening of new logging areas.
Let's look impact of water pollution. Water pollution is a severe problem and has an adverse impact on the sustainability of water resource. Not only has that, but also affected plants and living organisms, the health of the populations and the economy. destruction of biodiversity. Water pollution depletes aquatic ecosystem and trigger unbridled proliferation of phytoplankton in lake. Contamination of the food chain. Fishing in polluted waters and the use of wastewater for livestock farming and agriculture can introduce toxins into foods, which are harmful to our health when eaten. Disease. The WHO estimates that about 2 billion people have no option but to drink water contaminated by excrement, exposing them to disease such as cholera, hepatitis A, and dysentery.
Now for the mitigation of water pollution. First, wastewater treatment consists of removing pollutants from wastewater through this process. The more efficient this process, the cleaner the water becomes. Second, public campaigns of awareness, which it can raise awareness of water pollution among people. Lastly, plastic reduction, such as replacing the plastic bag with biodegradable bags. That's all from me. Thank you.